Pogi. Ayan. So yun yung Mount Batulaw. Yan, Mount Batulaw. Okay. At ito naman yung Mount Talamitan. Yan, pinanggalingan namin kanina. Galing kami. So yan, ito yung view. What? And then sa likod, ayun na sa may East West Road Magallanes, yung bundok. Okay. Sunset, napaka perfect. Okay. So that's it for today. Pabalik na kami ng Naik. May baka pa. At may baka din doon. Naik. So yan. So we will be back. So may bundok sa aming tapat. Wala na. Salamat!